When I'll feel cold, I'll keep you close. And if I could hold you, I'll take you home. And when at night your toes touch mine, I'll sing you to sleep. And if you were mine to keep, now I wish I would leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. I wish I would leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. The days they begin with your name and night end with your breath. With your breath. With your breath. Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you the latest sensational hit from Prateek Kuhad called Mess. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now tune your ukulele in standard tuning and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 3 easy chords, and these chords are chord G, chord C and chord D. So in case you already know these chords, then you can skip to the next part of this lesson. Else, let's learn how to play these chords. So to play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string. And chord G will sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. And the good news is that in this song, we are using only downstrokes to cover the entire song. So let me quickly tell you how you can play this pattern. Down, 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 down. So there are 6 downstrokes and stroke 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 will be played with same level of force. However, on stroke 4 you will be using more force. So on stroke 4 you use more force than what you are using for other 5 strokes. So when you'll play the entire pattern, it might sound like this. So guys, let's discuss each section of this song step by step, and we're gonna start the song with verse part, and in this part we'll use chord G and chord C. Okay, so there are only 2 chords, and what you have to do, you simply use the strumming pattern 2 times per chord in verse parts. Okay, so it will sound like this. When I'll feel cold, I'll keep you close. And if I could hold you, I'll take you home. And when at night your toes touch mine, I'll sing you to sleep. And if you were mine to keep. So next part of this song would be chorus, and to play chorus part we'll use chord D, chord C and chord G. Okay, so to play chorus part you have to use this pattern 1 time on chord D and chord C, and on chord G you'll play this pattern 2 times. Now if you want, you can also use a pause at chord C. So for that, you just need to play 3 downstrokes on chord C like this. And then you go to chord G and you'll play. Now I wish I would leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. I wish I would leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. The days they begin with your name and night end with your breath. So guys, after chorus part, you can again repeat the verse and chorus, and that's how you can play the entire song.